Astagfirullah. Salami. Shastra. God, Father, Shastra. श्रीमान राज आपका नेक्स्ट के लिए आदर है गार्ड भगवान शस्त्र गार्ड गति खड़े हैं बाकी सर्जेंट
I request everyone to raise for Krishna song followed by national anthem.
Do we have permission, the Hon'ble Chancellor, to commence the convocation?
Yes, permitted.
The convocation of Dr NTR University of Health Sciences AP has been called to confer the degrees and diplomas upon the candidates who qualified in the examination held for the purpose and who have been certified to be worthy of the same. I will be presenting the report on the university. Good morning, Honorable Chancellor, Sri Justice Abdul Nazeer, and also DSC awardees Dr. C. Narasimhan and Dr. P. C. Rath, distinguished members of Executive Council, the esteemed dignitaries on and off the dais, and respected the faculty, dear university staff, proud parents, and beloved graduates, ladies and gentlemen, and also the members of the press. It gives me immense pleasure and profound privilege to welcome you all on 29th and 30th Convocation of Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences, a momentous occasion that celebrates not only the academic accomplishments but also commitment to service and sacrifice and humanity. Today we gather to honor the graduate cohorts of 2023 and 24 students who have completed their academic journey through one of the most demanding and noble disciplines, health sciences. You entered your institution as a student seeking knowledge and you stand before us today as professionals entrusted with one of the society's greatest responsibilities, the care of human life. A convocation is not merely conferment of the degrees, it is a solemn transition from learning to the leadership, from preparation to the practice, and from aspiration to accountability. At the outset, I extend a warm welcome to our distinguished Chief Guest and Doctor of Science Honoris Causa awardee, Dr. C. Narasimhan, whose outstanding contribution in the healthcare and medical excellence continues to inspire the generations of professionals. We are equally honored to felicitate the Doctor of Science awardee, Dr. P. C. Rath, who extremely exemplary was an exemplary service on the leadership from healthcare delivery have enriched the medical fraternity and the society at large. The conferment of the degrees, honorary degrees, that is Vice Chancellor, the late Dr. C. Narasimhan be now be presented. I request the DME to read the citation.
Of Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences. By virtue of the authority vested in me as Chancellor of Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences AP, I admit you to the degree of Doctor of Sciences honoris causa of this university on account of your eminence and attainments. Vested in me as Chancellor of Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences AP, I admit you to the Doctor of Philosophy, PhD, Doctor of Medicine, DM, and Master of Chirurgy, MCH, postgraduate degree and diploma, Doctor of Medicine in Ayurveda, that is Ayurveda Vachaspati, MD Ayurveda, MBBS degrees in absentia of this university on account of her eminence and attainments.
Good morning, all. I will call one by one. Dr. S. Kirutika, Doctor of Philosophy and Nutrition. Dr. D. Vasundhara, Doctor of Philosophy in Nutrition. Dr. P. Lakshmi Deepika, Doctor of Philosophy in Nutrition. Dr. D.R. Manisha Rani, Doctor of Philosophy in Microbiology. Dr. Mulupuru Sushila, Doctor of Philosophy in Maternal and Child Health Nursing. Dr. P. Ishwar Rao, Doctor of Philosophy in Biochemistry. Dr. Keta Venkateshwarlu, Doctor of Philosophy in Microbiology. Dr. V. Arunakumari, Doctor of Philosophy in Community Health Nursing. Dr. Gajula Ramakrishna, DM Cardiology. Now I will read out the names of 29th Annual Convocation Gold Medalists. Dr. Jukuri Sanjeev Kumar got Professor MRC Naidu Gold Medal for Best Outgoing Student in MCH Neurosurgery. Dr. Shruti S. Nair got Sri Mahesh Narayan Memorial Gold Medal for Best Outgoing Student in DM Nephrology, qualified in first attempt and who succeeded more than 65% of the rounds. Dr. C. Sai Shankar Vinod got Sri Anamolu Sheshagiri Rao Memorial Gold Medal for being the best outgoing student in DM Cardiology. Dr. Bilal Mohiddin Sheikh got Parupudi Gopalakrishna Gold Medal for being the best outgoing student in DM Gastroenterology. Dr. Chintada Maunika for Dr. K. Venkateshwarlu Gold Medal for the best outgoing student in DM Neurology in first attempt. Mistress P. Esther Joel, she got 2 gold medals. Srimati Professor Chadavalawada Sri Lakshmi Memorial Gold Medal for being the university topper in MSc Nursing, Community Health Nursing. Now I will read out the 30th Annual Convocation medalists. Dr. Polisetti Janaki Rama Pavan Kumar, he got Professor MRC Naidu Gold Medal, late Srimati Sunkara Nagaratnam Gold Medal for being the best outgoing student in MCH Neurosurgery. Dr. Mullapudi Aditya Kumar Venkata got Sri Mahesh Narayan Memorial Gold Medal for the best outgoing student in DM Nephrology, qualified in first attempt and who secures more than 65% of the marks. Dr. Punugupati Mahesh got Sri Anumolu Sheshagir Rao Memorial Gold Medal for being the best outgoing student in DM Cardiology. Dr. Prashant M. got Parupudi Gopalakrishna Gold Medal for being the best outgoing student in DM Gastroenterology. Dr. Papireddy Karthik Reddy got Dr. K. Venkateshwarlu Gold Medal for the best outgoing student in DM Neurology in first attempt.
Abdul Nazeer to give his message.
I think after listening to Dr. Narasimhan, I don't think I need to address you. And I will look too small to a pedestrian, to be honest, because I am not specialized. But one thing I have understood, sir, from what you said, AI can only, if I am right, please correct me if I am wrong, AI can only complement and it won't supplement the human mind and human brain, right, sir? Dr. C. Narasimhan Garu, Director, Chief Justice of today's convocation and DSC awardee for 29th convocation. Dr. P.C. Rath, Director and Head of the Department of Cardiac Sciences, Apollo Hospital, Hyderabad. Dr. P. Chandrasekhar, Vice Chancellor, Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences. One thing I can tell you, I am closely watching our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. Chandrasekhar Garu. After his taking over, I think there is a tremendous improvement in the university, the activities of the university. I can certainly tell you this. Members of the Executive Council, members of the faculty, administrative staff, donors and guests, my dear graduating students and recipients of degrees and medals in today's convocation, and of course their proud parents, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, Andariki Namaskaram. It gives me immense pleasure to preside over the 29th and 30th annual convocations of Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences, an institution that has emerged as a beacon of excellence in health science education and a vital force in advancing healthcare in Andhra Pradesh and in our nation. A convocation ceremony is one of the most cherished and solemn traditions of academic life. It's an occasion that celebrates scholarship, perseverance, and achievement. More importantly, it marks the moment when a university sends forth into society a new generation of educated men and women prepared to shoulder professional responsibilities with competence and integrity. When I use the expression competence, I remember one statement from what the Supreme Court said. I am from a legal background, so Supreme Court will come here and there, right? In 98, Supreme Court said, we don't need MCA versus State of Karnataka, if I am right. We don't need half-baked doctors. Our nation doesn't need half-baked doctors. This is the sum and substance of what Professor Narasimhan also said. Today, we confer degrees on the graduating students of Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences. We celebrate not merely academic accomplishment, but the readiness of these young professionals to serve humanity in one of the noblest of all professions, namely what? Healthcare. Over the years, this university has built
an admirable legacy in medical and health sciences education. Through its dedication to academic excellence, ethical values and service, it has nurtured generation of doctors, dentists, nurses, pharmacists, physiotherapists, and allied healthcare professionals who have strengthened healthcare delivery in India and beyond. At this moment in history, healthcare has become central to national progress. The aspiration of India is to ensure quality healthcare that is accessible, affordable, and equitable for all. Andhra Pradesh too is steadily advancing this vision through the expansion of medical education, healthcare infrastructure, and public health services. Institutions like Dr NTR University of Health Sciences stand at the heart of this endeavor, for they prepare the skilled and compassionate professionals who transform healthcare system and strengthen the well-being of the society. Dear graduates, today marks the culmination of your hard work, discipline, and perseverance. The degrees you receive today symbolize your academic success, but they also signify something far greater, the trust that society places in you. As healthcare professionals, you are entering a field where science meets humanity. Doctors explained, where science meets humanity, where knowledge must be tempered with compassion. Knowledge must be tempered with compassion, and where skill must be guided by ethics. Skill must be guided by ethics. Very often, when I go to a medical college, I have one statement to make. Two types of patients come to you. Two types of patients. In my crude language, because I don't have these niceties like doctor. One is a rich patient, the other is a poor patient. Please understand, rich patient pays, P-A-Y-S, whereas poor patient prays for you, P-R-A-Y-S. Therefore, skill must be guided by ethics. Ethics is most important in any profession, be it law, medical, dental, anything. Every patient who comes to you places in your hands something precious, their health, their dignity, and their hope. That trust is sacred trust, sacred. The measure of your success will not be defined solely by professional achievements or the multi-storied building which you are going to build or a 15-footer long car, luxury car, no. But by the compassion with which you serve, the integrity with which you act, and the difference you make in the lives of others. As graduates of Dr NTR University of Health Sciences, you carry forward the legacy of Dr N.T. Rama Rao, whose life reflected an unwavering commitment to public welfare and human dignity. Let that legacy inspire you to dedicate your learning to the service of the society. The world you enter today is full of both opportunity and challenge. Opportunity for what? Opportunity to serve, not otherwise. Of course, if you mind, you can achieve that also. Advances in medicine are creating extraordinary possibilities, yet inequalities in healthcare, emerging diseases, and the burden of chronic illness remind us that much remains to be done. At this juncture, I appreciate the decision of the state government to establish Disease Modeling and Decision Intelligence Center under Integrated Disease Surveillance Program at Dr NTR University. This center will be drawing experts from medical colleges and universities across Andhra Pradesh who will be systematically trained in disease modeling and predictive analytics. This center seeks to hold strategic partnership with the National University of Singapore, the Gates Foundation, and to be aligned with the National Disease Modeling Consortium at IIT Bombay, which will ensure scientific rigor, global benchmarking, and national coherence. This will in turn lead to adopting global best practices in disease modeling and AI for health to its local epidemiological, climatic, and administrative context, enabling the state to protect public health through foresight rather than response. By institutionalizing predictive intelligence, the DMDC will improve health outcomes, optimize resource allocation, reduce system stress during peak risk period, and position Andhra Pradesh as a national leader in foresight-driven public health governance. I wish the government of Andhra Pradesh and Dr NTR University of Health Sciences all success in this challenging endeavor. The nation needs healthcare professionals who are not only highly competent but deeply humane, right? Your education has equipped you with knowledge and skill, but the true greatness in your profession will arise from empathy, humility, and lifelong dedication to learning. Therefore, I urge you, continue to learn, continue to serve, continue to uphold the dignity of this noble profession. Here, let us recall the wise words of Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore, who said, and I quote, please listen to me carefully. The highest education is that which does not merely give us information. The highest education is that which does not merely give us information, but makes our life in harmony with all existence. This is what Tagore said. Wherever your path may lead, to hospitals, to clinics, to research institutions, to classrooms or rural communities, let your service be guided by excellence and compassion. And I have found many of our Andhra doctors go to USA. There also the same formula applies. Because I am told in US and UK, only many of our doctors are from Krishna district and surrounding areas. To the faculty members who have trained these excellent students, I offer my heartfelt appreciation. Please give them a big hand. Your scholarly teaching, dedication, and mentorship have shaped these graduates into capable professionals ready to serve the society. Your influence will continue through every life they touch. To the parents and families who are sitting in this corner, I extend my hearty congratulations. Your sacrifices, encouragement, and faith have been the foundation of this success. This proud moment belongs to you as much as the graduates. Give them also a big hand to your parents. My dear students, as you step beyond the portals of this esteemed university, remember that you carry with you not only a degree, but a responsibility to heal, to comfort, and to serve. Here, my advice to you all is, go forth with confidence, but remain humble. Go forth with confidence, but remain humble. Pursue excellence, but remain compassionate. Seek success, but remain committed to humanity. May your knowledge heal the sick. May your compassion comfort the suffering. May your service uplift the society. May your work strengthen the nation. Dear students, I advise you all to practice yoga and meditation, adopt healthy food habits, ensure proper rest and sleep for your overall well-being. And I think as far as possible, stay away from social media, right? Because you have some artificial ideas, you may develop some artificial ideas. Doctor said really, though we are in a group, still we are lonely because all are busy. Overcome physical and mental stress, maintain good health and enhance your endurance. Inculcate the habit of lifelong learning and success will be yours. Of course, for each person, success has different definition. I have told you earlier. On this proud and memorable occasion, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to all the graduates. May your achievements bring honor to your families, distinction to your alma mater, Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences, and meaningful service to the state of Andhra Pradesh, India, and the world. And as you leave this hall today, may you always remember the true greatness of healthcare professional lies not only in curing the disease, the true greatness of a healthcare professional not only in curing the disease, but in preserving hope, restoring dignity, and serving the humanity. My heartfelt congratulations to one and all. Thank you very much.